You can become millionaire by investing 1000 rupees monthly. Are you surprising? This is true. And today I'm going to show you how you can become millionaire by investing 1000 monthly. Generally, we think that we need huge money to become rich person, but this is not true. We can become rich person from middle to rich. It is very easy. We have enough amount to become rich person, but we do not implement the proper way. So today I'm going to share you how you can become millionaire by putting only 1000 rupees monthly. I'm sharing my Excel sheet and one or two website. Okay. Yeah. 1000 rupees if you are saving and you are putting in stock market 12,000 yearly. Because why I am saying 12,000 yearly? Because 1000 monthly investment is not possible. Always you will not get the chance to put your money in stock market. So that is why I have put 12,000 yearly, and your 12,000 yearly in 25 years it will become 1 crore 58 lakhs 33,868 rupees. It means after 25 years, in 26 years, you will get this amount. And in 20 years, in 21st years, you will get 51 lakhs 56,170 rupees. And at 11th years, you will get 5 lakhs rupees. So you need to put 12,000 yearly. Okay. And if you want, if you want to invest more, if you are putting 1 lakh rupees, then yearly, then in 25 years, 26 years, you will get 13 crore rupees. We all have 1 lakh rupees. Okay. And we usually invest 1 lakh yearly in number of plan, but we don't invest directly in the stock market. We usually invest very little amount in stock market, and our most percentage of our capital put in ULIP plan or fixed deposit or mutual fund. When you invest in FD, ULIP plan, money back plan, guaranteed plan, you are getting only 6 to 7% return. And if you are putting your capital in mutual fund, you are getting only 10 to 15% interest. Okay. But if you are putting directly in the stock market, after learning how to invest in a stock market, then you can grow your money at the rate of 25%. It is possible. And if you are putting 1 lakh rupees yearly in 21 years, you will get 4 crore 29 lakhs. And in 10 years, you will get 42 lakhs 56,613 rupees. And you can check in SIP calculator also. This is SIP calculator of Phenology. Yearly, select yearly here and put 12,000 yearly and tenure 25 years, rate of interest 25%, plan my wealth. 1 crore 58 lakhs. My Excel sheet was also showing same 1 crore 58 lakhs rupees. Okay. And you are investing total amount deposited only 3 lakhs rupees. You have invested only 3 lakhs rupees. We all say that we are middle class. Okay. We cannot become rich because we don't have much money. But we all have 3 lakhs rupees. We all can save 1000 monthly. So we all can become rich class. Just moving to another website and putting the value of 1 lakh rupees yearly. In 25 years, here I'm giving, and return rate of interest 25%. Submit. Amount invested 25 lakhs, 1 lakh rupees in 25 years, and maturity value 13 crore. My Excel sheet is also saying same thing. 13 crore rupees in 25 years. So it is possible. Everyone, every middle class can become rich class. Every middle class can become millionaire. Three things are required for this. First is capital. You need to invest. You should have capital. That is why I always say that stock market is not to earn money. Stock market is to grow your money. So it is for the earner who are earning money, either from job or business. Okay. And you can put your money in here. So you need to invest. So capital is required. And second important thing is rate of return. If you are putting your capital in that asset where you get only 6 or 7 or 10%, is it possible to become millionaire with this small capital? No. So you need to grow your capital at the rate of 25% CAGR. And it is only possible in the stock market. And in YouTube, with this channel, I am actually sharing my knowledge how to invest in a stock market. I am giving the knowledge, training. But you want more result, and you want to understand or learn everything in a very to the point manner. You can purchase my course, but my course is in Hindi language. If you are comfortable in Hindi, na, just go to my website. My website name is www.happinessallaraundwithsanjeev.com. And in that website, you will get silver membership. And the price of that silver membership is 15,000 rupees in the website. 14,999 rupees it is there. But you need not to pay that amount. Just put that one promo code which I'm sharing here, and you will get the price 5,000. There is 7,000 deduction discount, and the promo code is webinar. Just put their webinar word in a promo code, and you will get you will get the price only 5,000. You need to pay only 5,000, and you will get the strategy and every basic things, and also chart reading, everything is there. So you can learn from my from my course. And one more thing I want to mention here, in my silver membership, you are not only getting the course, okay, recorded course, but also you are getting the monthly meeting. In monthly meeting, directly you can ask your question. And one more thing you will get, that is hackathon. Hackathon is a gamification. By gamification, actually, I will give you one task on weekly basis you need to complete. And according to this way, you will you can start your portfolio. You can arrange your portfolio, because you need to invest in tranches, at least 5 to 6 month tranche you need to invest. So everything is the in a gamification. So you will be enjoying in that game, I'm sure. So if you are really interested, just go and uh, purchase my course there. And third important thing is time. You need to keep invested at least 25 years, 20 years, 10 years. So three things are important. First is capital, second is 25% return, and third is time. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you think this video is useful and it will be game changer for you, just press the like button, and you can ask if you have any question or any doubt in your you can put your question in the comment box. Thank you so much.